Okay. Anyway, thousands of medicines and medical devices have been invented just to combat world diseases. Remarkable remedies and cure, they are rampant. No? Just to address the major infectious diseases. Yet treatment for those affected by what we call it in disease of unknown cause, cancer, diabetes, leukemia, heart disease, even asthma, there is no solution. So they remain uncertain. So talo kayo, they took the money from your pocket. At walang makakapag-refund because you signed the waiver. See, one way. So you must study that and you must know that. And this is the right time. Even they launched tremendous cancer research. They couldn't find the cure or even the reverse. And this is what we call it, the orthodox, Americanized type of medical community, which is managing the whole Philippines under the Department of Health. Pero wala mo silang magawa. Even our Filipino doctors want to change, pero walang magawa. Yun na po yung system ng bansa. Pero can be changed through the public, which is you. Okay? The changing the blueprint medically of the Philippines will only start to change from the public, not from the hospital. Pag hindi na kayo napupunta ng hospital, and the change is going on. Alright? Okay? Wala bang papalakpak sarili dyan? Because I am giving you the hope. And this hope is for the hopeless. And the help, I give the help for the helpless. That someday, next generation to come from you will be happy. Because the generation today are dying. And they are being killed by the so-called technology. So we have what we call it, the influence of the drug community. So what? Third killer, diabetes, ninth killer, according to the mortality table of the Department of Health in the Philippines. But prolonging your body for exposure under drug may damage your liver, and the disease is known as drug-induced liver injury network. May network din sa loob ng katawan, diseases of network. So the side effect of drug are liver damage or kidney damage. Alright? Kayo po ay malalakas. But someday, pagka you are under influence of drug, magkakaroon kayo na some sort of side effect. And one of the major side effect, liver damage. Wala hong liver transplant. Pag namatay ang atay, patay na rin ang may-ari ng atay. So yung A-T-A-Y, atay, lagyan mo ng P sa unahan. That is person or people, patay. In China, what I study in China is from the book of the Compendium of the Materia Medica, Bengkao Gangmo, chapter 1 of the medicine in China, which is different from the Western. So ako po nagtuturo dito sa Philippines. Ang nagpapaturo, yung mga drug doctor. Tinuturuan ko sila paano silang mabuhay ng walang drug. Kaya pag the moment you develop sipon, virus yan. The moment you develop trangkaso, influenza, virus yan. Ano ba ang ginagawa? Ingat. Paracetamol. Di ba? Patay tayo dyan. So yung mga tao po, hindi na umalis ang sipon dahil wala akong antibiotic design to destroy the virus. It is God's given gift to you by the Divine One to fight and to resist infection, which is what we call it, your built-in doctor. Built-in doctor, your resistance and capacity to fight infection. Natural po yan sa'yo. Kaya po yung biblical character in the past, they don't have hospital, they don't have drugstore, they don't have antibiotics. What they have the, what we call it, the immune system of the body. So instead of antibiotic, they have the antibodies. Okay? So that's what we are promoting in China. So you see the Chinese, they're Billions. Di ba? Mas marami po sa Hong Kong. 100 age tumanggap ng award from the government of Hong Kong, what we call it, the Centenarian of Hong Kong. Dito kaya sa Philippines, may centenarian kaya? The 100 years of age. Naglalakad sila. Yung 100 years natin dito, 6 feet under the ground. Nagpapahinga. Age 50 pa lang, patay na. Matindi ang cancer ngayon. Tandaan yan. And you must know the maker. Now, when we study in China, we learn the paranormal wave, which is radioactivity of Earth, the global Wi-Fi. Hindi Wi-Fi ng mall. The global Wi-Fi. Bakit? Bili ka lang ng smart bro, punta ka sa kalsada, pwede ka nang mag-chat, pwede ka nang umausap ng taga-ibang bansa. Cellphone, ganun din. You talk somewhere in Australia. Understood? So this is what we call it, the microwave. Wave. X-ray use ionizing radiation, maliliit na wave. Radioactivity, X-ray. Do not expose yourself to X-ray from time to time because it will damage the X-ray will damage your DNA. Okay? So you see this? Gamma rays. So ultraviolet, di ba? Sa araw, whatever. So this radiation can become non-ionizing radiation na ginagamit po ng microwave, lutuan ng ulam o initan ng ulam. Magpinsan yung cellphone at saka yung initan ng ulam, microwave. They use non-ionizing radiation. The radio tower, TV station use kilohertz, megahertz, but cellphone use gigahertz. Wala mong lalaki sa megamall, pero wala pang gigamall, di ba? Siguro kung may gigamall, ilang piraso kayo ng megamall yun. So ito po pinakamalaki. Kumbaga sa computer, gigabytes. Kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes. O, mas malaki yung gigabytes, di ba? Mahal na. Ang mahal na ng yung, kumbaga, yung configuration mo mataas. Kaya yung ginagamit po dito, up to 300 gigahertz used by cellphone. Yan po yung scenario. Okay? So, open your eyes, but the problem, gigahertz may affect our own bioelectricity. May kuryente ka because you are conductor of electricity. So, we have the wondrous bioelectricity at normal from 10 to 60 hertz. 10 to 60 hertz. So, hindi ka kilohertz. Hertz lang. But it affects our life. And we develop fatigue and lack of sleep, especially call center people. Biro mo, graveyard shift, o kaya naman, 8 oras ka nakababad sa radiation, ihina ang katawan mo dyan. Radiation is a killer because insensible and invisible. Walang wire, pero kuryente yan. Okay? Now, so, there's the community. People drink acids and use cell phone, only call, only receive call. So what happened? So the danger is there. You see, the child, yari siya. Bakit? Ang isang cellphone, wala siyang cellphone, pero nag-only call ako rito, dami siya. Because of the radius of radiation, this causes blindness. Honestly, this causes macular degeneration or factors developing to blindness, astigmatism, presbyopia, myopia. Hindi na age-related macular, sudden macular degeneration. It could be blind or blurry vision on one eye. Saan ang mannerism mo sa cellphone? Kaliwa, affected ang kaliwa mong mata. Saan ang mannerism mo sa cellphone? Sa kanan, affected ang kanang mata. But the government is silent to you because there is money on cellphone and in the network. So who is the victim? You is the victim. Gusto mo ba maging biktima? Of course hindi, di ba? So that's the reality.